Hello everyone, I am Supriya. My roll number is 254G1A33H2 from the Department Computer Science and Engineering allied with IML. I am studying first year in Srinivas Ramanujan Institute of Technology and my topic is essay writing for the presentation of my video. Let's start our presentation. Outline of my presentation includes introduction, types of essay writing, discussing each type in depth, how to write an essay writing, steps to write an essay writing, how to write an introduction and conclusion, some tips for essay writing to write an effective manner. Before starting the intro, we need to know the term what is meant by essay. Essay means to attempt. An essay is a long self-contained piece of composition on a specific topic. There are different types of essay writing. Number one, descriptive essay. Second, narrative essay. Third, expository essays. And the last, argumentative or discursive essays. Now let us know each type of essay writings in detailed manner. First, descriptive essay. It focuses on describing a person, place, object, or experience. Uses a vivid sensory details like sound, sight, smell, touch, etc. The main purpose is the descriptive essay is to make the reader feel, see, and imagine. It creates a mental picture of the reader, begins with an engaging introduction and main idea, and continued with a strong conclusion. Narrative essay. It focuses on the central message or a lesson theme, uses dialogues, emotions, and vivid details like sense, touch, smell, taste, etc. Creates interest through suspense or reflection. The main purpose is to share an experience and connect with the readers. Uses a formal language and create an interest through suspense or a reflection. It's all about the narrative essay and next continued with expository essay. It explains, informs or describes a topic, not an opinion or a stories of the views or the readers. It should be written in a clear and the formal language which is understandable by the reader or the viewer. It should include the transitional words for the smooth flow. Conclusion restates the main ideas and the points and summarizes the key points. The main purpose of the expository essay is to educate or explain, not to persuade or not to entrain anyone. And continue with the argumentative or discursive essay. The aim of this type of essay is to convince the reader of the viewpoints. While writing, we must ensure that the argument should be in the clear manner, provide our evidence to support our stance, and our thought should be logically connected manner. Continued with written essay. First, we need to understand the topic. Next, gather ideas and the information. We need to have a clear idea on the main points, what we need to write, and we have to have an outline of intro, main body structure, and last with conclusion. We need to write with introduction first, followed with the main body with examples and then explanation in clear manner, and write in strong conclusion with closing sentence. And next we need to read again once, we need to check and proofread it, and we need to edit. Next we need to write an essay. How to write an introduction? There are three steps to write an introduction, starting with the hook, give background information and stating the main points. Begin with an interesting sentence to grab the attention from the audience or the listeners. An example is technology has changed the way we learn and communicate. Give the background information, adding 1 2 sentences explaining the topic in general. Example, today, students use online tools along with traditional classroom methods. And third, we need to state the main ideas. Clearly tell what our essay discusses. Example, this essay explains why online learning is becoming popular and how it affects the education. The main simple formula of the introduction is hook, background stating the main ideas. For example, education is an important part of every person's life. With new technology, the way students learn is changing in distance, the benefits of online learning and how it helps students in many ways. How to write a conclusion? For conclusion also, we have three steps to write a conclusion effective manner. Restating the main ideas, second, summarizing the key points, and last, we need to give a final thought. Say the thesis again in a simple and fresh way. Example, online learning has become an important part of modern education nowadays. Summarizing the key points, briefly we need to remind what we have discussed before, important ideas what we have discussed before. For example, it provides flexibility, save times and offers many digital resources. And giving final thought, end within a closing sentence. Example, as technology grows, online learning will continue to support students worldwide. The simple formula of a conclusion is we need to restate the main points, summary of the points, and last final thought. For example, online learning is a now major part of education. It offers flexibility and helps the students learn in new ways, and it continues to play an important role in the future worldwide. Followed with the steps to write an essay. There are 9 steps to write an essay writing in effective. First, we need to read our essay prompt thoroughly and we need to choose a topic and the outline of the essay, followed with the structure of essay, and fifth, writing the essay. Sixth, writing our introduction paragraph. Seventh, writing the body of our essay. And last, we need to write the conclusion. And ninth, we need to proofread and edit our essay writing. If we follow these steps, we can write the essay writing as effective as more. Continued with tips for essay writing. There are 5 essay writing tips I have provided. First, we need to select the topic in effective manner and we need to develop our main ideas and we need to research and source for the evaluation and we need to structure our essay and we need to proofread and edit in a strategical manner and a logical manner. I hope everyone has understood. Thank you.